Hi children, shall we do an activity now? We are going to do an electrical agabati with 3 LEDs and 1 button cell, okay? Now, see how beautiful it is? Let us see what are the materials required for this. 3 straws you need, and you need 3 LEDs, preferably red LEDs. And if you need, you can have one gum, one compass, one scissor just for piercing, and one button cell. This is the most important part, button cell, and black wire, red wires, that is DC wires, and a base. I am taking here a base of Surf Excel. Okay. Now you have to make one hole so that you can insert all the 3 straws here. Okay, and before that you have to color this straw with a fabric color. You color it with black so that it will look like a black agabati. So all the 3 straws have been colored now, and you measure the length of the wire. For measuring the length of the wire, you will take one straw and you take a lengthy wire. 2 sides you have to take more, and then you have to cut it. Okay. Cut it according to the size of the straw, a little bit lengthier, and then so 3 wires you have to cut. You are using 3 LEDs. So remove the insulation on both sides of the wire. Remove the insulation. See, this much. Now you are going to connect all the positive ends together. You know that LEDs have 2 ends. One lengthier LED terminal is the positive terminal. So that positive terminal I have connected now, and you slightly bend it so that the wire will not come out. You are just making a hook like and locking the wire so that it will not come out. Okay. Do it very carefully, and like that you do with all the 3 positive lead. So positive lead is the lengthier lead, negative lead is a smaller one. So I am connecting it to the positive leads of all the 3 LEDs. I have connected it. Now you just check it by using the button battery. That is the positive part, and one by one LED you have to check it. We don't know whether all the LEDs will work. After doing all the connections, it will be difficult for us. So previously, first itself you can check and you can just confirm whether all the LEDs are working. All the 3 are working now. Now we are going to do the negative part. We need 3 black wires for negative, and we have to join it to the shorter lead of the shorter terminal of the LED. That is the negative terminal. You twist it. You have to remove the insulation and then carefully twist it so that it should not come out also. Okay, and you can make a small hook like, or you can lock it by bending it. So all the negative wires also you have to connect. After connecting, once again, if you wish, you can just check it and confirm. Now the most important part is that the lead should not touch each other. What happens if it touches each other? It will become a short circuit, and then the LEDs will not work. So you have to paste one insulation in between. You can use a cello tape so that the 2 leads, metal parts, are not coming in contact with each other. That is the most important part. Then after separating the 2 leads by means of a cello tape, if you wish, you can join together with a cello tape so that it will, and again you can see, you can check whether it is working. If it is short, it will not work. Okay. Now The next part is you have to insert this wire into the straw. Our straw, which we have colored black with the fabric color, it is already dried up. It is dried. Now carefully insert it just like this. Okay. So first one I have inserted. Now all the three, after inserting all the three into the straws, the next part is to fix it in our base. You can use any base. Here I have used one, cap or the lid of the Surf Excel. You can use any base. Now insert it carefully inside it, and the straw, some part of the straw also I am just putting it inside. While making the hole, you see that the hole is not too big, okay? It should tightly go inside, should not be loose. You fix it properly so that the upper part of the agarbatti, that is the upper part of the LEDs, are in position. Just press it from the top part so that it will be intact. Clear? Now that is over. Now if you want, if it is loose, means if you want, you can apply either hot glue gun or by Fevicol also. Now we have to give the connection to the cell battery. For that, you will join all the positive ends together and all the negative ends together. What connection is it? It is a parallel connection. All the positive ends connected together, all the negative ends connected together. And now we are going to connect it to a battery. Okay. So now next part is to fix this button battery inside this Deccan or inside this lid. Okay. So for that, you see like this, we have to paste it inside this. Now you join a black wire, a lengthier wire, to the negative part, and you take two pieces of red wire, one red wire and another lengthier piece of red wire. We are going to use this as the switch part, okay? We are not going to connect any switch here. The negative part, I am going to paste it into the negative portion. This is the positive. You can see that is the positive end. And this part is the negative end. It is not mentioned any marking there. That is a negative end. I am going to connect that black wire to the negative end. You just twist the wire and then apply one cello tape. With the red wire, you connect it to the positive part. So the two wires are on either side of the button battery. Now we have to fix the button battery. Inside, you insert it in a proper place and then just cello tape it, or you can use insulation tape also so that it fits properly. Now we have to cut a small portion of that lid, so that you are going to take this wire outside, that positive wire outside. For what purpose? I told you we are not going to use any switch. This wire itself will act as a switch. Now one more wire you need. This you have to cello tape it to the outer end. Now one more wire you have to take and you have to twist it in the positive part. That is, all the three positive wires we have taken and wound together, no, fixed together there. Now this portion you will make some small hole there by means of the compass. You pierce a small hole by means of a compass and then take out this red wire which we have connected from all the positive ends together. This red wire is taken from all the positive ends connected together. You are going to take it outside through this hole, and these two wires are going to act as a switch. When you touch these two switches, these two wires, the bulb will glow. Okay. See, in one type I have used red type of LED, the other LED I got only white LED but the color is red. So our electrical agarbatti without any fumes is ready.